In my opinion, a good design is one that becomes your own. So when you move into it, it feels like it was always meant for you. I think a design has to respond to its context, so that's been very important to us. The lifestyle of the people who are going to live there is critical, and how they can use the area around the houses as well as, within the houses as well. Well, with every project we design, we try and respond to the context in the first instance. And we're located in St Lucia on this project, and a hillside with a great outlook. So we really wanted to emphasise the form of the land and step the terraces, and make the most of the outlook and views, as well as capturing light in each of the houses.